Hey, it's Greg Luther here, and listen, if you're a real estate agent, I think you're really going to like this message because so many agents want to become a better agent or do better, and I've always said you gotta die before you can be reborn. There's nothing more important than you finding a business model that makes sense for you. And as you approach the new year, as you roll into 2020, you've got to start thinking about, how am I going to become a better real estate agent? What am I going to do to have predictable revenue happening for me so it's not up and down? I'm not dependent on past clients and referrals where our income could best be described as random and sporadic. That business is okay, but again, you got to die before you can be reborn. It's very easy to build your business with virtually $0 in advertising. I mean, I'm kidding. I'm not kidding you here. Less than $10 a month if you're using the right approach. What we're doing is on New Year's Day, I'm doing our 8th annual New Year, New Agent training. And I'm going to show you what's working in today's market. You can use some totally free marketing to grow your business the right way. If you go to newyearnewagent.com, I'm hoping that link works for you. Go there and get registered for the training. But we're getting together on New Year's Day. As always, our system is limited to 1,000 attendees. So you got to get registered now. We already have over 400 registered and we're still a little ways out. So we will be full again. This is our 8th year in a row we've done this. And you got to start thinking about, what are you doing to get consistency in your business? How many closings do you anticipate having every single month from the marketing assets that you're deploying on a consistent basis? If you don't have marketing assets that you're deploying, you know what you're fighting with? You're fighting with obscurity. You're a great agent. People just don't know who you are and what you offer. So that's the biggest problem, is how do you beat obscurity in your real estate market? We're going to talk about that on the New Year's Day training. We'll probably go right about an hour. So I'm going to keep it tight. We're going to give you lots of ideas and training on what to do on a daily basis to generate more revenue for yourself. So I think you're going to find it incredibly helpful. Again, check it out, newyearnewagent.com. Should be a link in the description here somewhere as well. And I'm hoping that you'll be one of the 1,000 agents in attendance so that 2020 becomes the best year you've ever had in your entire career in real estate. I'd love to be the one to help you build that. We're going to get together on New Year's Day. We're getting together at 2 o'clock Eastern, which is 11 Pacific. So if that time works for you, whole lot better than getting drunk. Let's just make some money together. I'm going to show you how to build a big 2020, and I'm going to give you the inside scoop on what a lot of these top producers are doing. Check it out, newyearnewagent.com. I'll plan on seeing you on New Year's Day. We'll talk to you soon. I'm Greg Luther. Find more details on us at gregluthercoaching.com, and we'll talk later. Bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and listen, we've got a lot more information for you to help you with growing your real estate business. We load new videos nearly every day, and I want you to have access. So you got to do 2 important things. It's both totally free. Number 1, I want you to subscribe to this channel. You'll see the little subscribe button for you to click. If you don't have an account with YouTube, set it up. It's totally free. You got to subscribe to this channel. And the most important factor, you got to ring the bell. Right next to that subscribe button, you'll see a little bell to turn on notifications. That will let you know every time I load a new money-making video to help you with growing your real estate business. Subscribe and make sure you ring the bell. We'll see you in the next video.